Hello, it's me. Are you surviving okay? I'm having a little bit of trouble over here. But yes, I am the worst. How long ago did I say I was going to do this? April? And look, it's August. Anyway, today we're going to tackle the Cantonese Phonetic Transcription Systems. Are you ready? One of the obstacles in learning Cantonese is that there isn't one standardized transcription system that everyone follows. There are actually as many as 11 systems out there, according to our mighty friend Wikipedia.
You're welcome.
And to your surprise, none of these transcription systems are formally taught in local schools, and they differ from region to region. As a result, there are many acceptable ways among local speakers to quote-unquote spell Cantonese, and that makes it rather difficult for foreigners to learn. Don't get nervous just yet. Among the 11, there are 3 transcription systems that are most commonly used for learning Cantonese: Yale, Cantonese Pinyin, and Yupeng. As I explained before, we also have our very own Lunguage system that is geared more towards American English speakers. We're going to compare the 4 side by side, from initials to finals. No matter which system you prefer, just pick the one that makes the most sense and works best for you. After all, it is a tool to help you understand how a character sounds, so how it's spelt is not the most important thing. Let's do the initials first. Ba, pa, ma, fa, da, ta, na, la, ga, ka, nga, ha, za, ca, sa, gua, kwa, ya, wa. Let's move on to the finals. A, ba, I, gai, ow, mau, sam, an, dan, ang, hang, ap, tap, at, kat, ak, nga, ai, sai, au, sau, some, un, sun, ung, sung, up, sup, ut, but, uk, duck, se, a, hey, ang, dang, ek, lek, si, you, im, dim, in, tin, ing, sing, ip, hip, eat, geet, ik, sick, o, bo, oi, goi, o, so, on, gone, ong, bong, ot, got, ok, pok, u, fu, ui, bui, un, pun, ong, dong, ut, foot, uk, tok, her, hung, gert, oi, toi, un, dun, ut, sut, u, su, un, sun, ut, sut, ng, l, m, ep. Thankfully, comparing the 4 transcription systems is helpful for visualizing how the sounds are like in Cantonese and figuring out which makes sense for you. Again, don't worry too much about how the words are spelled, quote unquote. After all, it's more important to recognize the characters eventually and to pronounce it the right way. So whatever works for you, whatever helps you remember, just go for that one. I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you next time.